Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to MAC filter in TP-Link router. Open your browser and enter your router IP to access the web interface. I will cover the basics, including locating MAC filtering options, reading MAC address formats, compiling an allow list or block list, and tips for avoiding mistakes like locking yourself out of the network. Follow along step by step for a smooth setup and immediate results, easily and confidently. Start by logging into the TP-Link router admin with your username and password. Next, open the wireless or access control area and locate MAC filtering, then enable the feature. Add device MACs using the exact format shown, select whether to allow or deny listed addresses, and save settings. I'll remind you to keep a backup of current settings and a note of admin credentials to prevent being locked out, easily and confidently. Collect MAC addresses from connected devices or the router's DHCP client list before you begin. Add each MAC exactly as shown, include a clear label so you know which device it belongs to, and test connectivity after saving. If a device loses access, double-check the MAC entry and your allow versus deny setting. I'll share quick recovery tips and best practices so you can manage the list without stress, easily and confidently.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.